Hi and welcome to the video training of JavaScript. In this video training we will be learning about number in JavaScript. So what is a number? A number is a primitive wrapper object used to represent and manipulate numbers like 37 or minus 9.25. The number constructor contains constants and methods for working with numbers. Values of other types can be converted to numbers using the number function. A number only keeps about 17 decimal places of precision. Arithmetic is subject to rounding. The largest value of a number can hold is about 1.8 E308. Values higher than that are replaced with the special number constant infinity. So let's look at the syntax of number. The first one is simple integer 123. The second one is 123.0. 123.0 is equal to 123. So if we compare these both by the triple equal operator, we will get true. Similarly, if we have number 123, it returns 123, and if we compare this with 123, it returns true. Similarly, if we have unicorn or undefined passed to the number function object, then we have not a number returned. Using number to convert a date object. The following example converts a date object to a numerical value using the number as a function. So let's look at this. I'm going to create number.html and we have script tag here. Then if I say let d equals new date and I pass in the date as December 17, 1995, 324.00, and if I try to console.log d here and pass this date object to the number, save it. If I go to my browser here, script number, double click this, and if I put in developer tools, it gives us the number equivalent to that date. So if I change the date here to 2021, have a close look, it changed the timestamp number to integer. Convert numeric strings and null to numbers. You can convert strings to number as well. So if I have a string here, console.log, if I pass a string in single quote like 25911, save it, and if I refresh here, you can see it has converted it to number. Similarly, 12.3, 12.0, if we pass in 12.00 here, it converts it to integer, which is a number. And similarly, 123E1, if pass in 123E1 here, it converted it into 120. And if I pass in 123E-1 here, it will convert it into 1.2, which is a decimal point. Similarly, if we don't pass anything, it will return 0. So, and null is same as empty value. Then we have octal 0x11. So if I say here 0x11, save it, and we got 17. And if we pass in a perfect string, which is foo, it will return not a number, and infinity will return infinity. Infinity will return not a number. Okay, caps I here. Okay, so that was a capital I here. If we pass in infinity as a string to number object, it will return infinity as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel TechWeber. Just put an S at the end of TechWeber and you will find my channel. Please feel free to contact me if you need any help.